Okay, in these, basically these are dialogues.
Okay,
That is why no
dialogues.
verb was given. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, that is why no specific verb has been mentioned. You have to select. For example, ¿dónde vives?
Where do you live?
Muy bien. ¿Puedes identificar el verbo? Can you identify the verb?
Which verb?
In ¿dónde vives?
Vives.
Vives is the verb, right?
Yeah.
And what is the infinitivo form?
Your form is vivo.
No, not the yo form. The infinitivo form is vivir.
Okay, okay. The original verb, original form
Exactly.
is vivir. Okay, okay.
Exactly. That original form we say infinitivo,
Okay.
infinite form.
Okay.
Okay. In Spanish we say infinitivo.
Okay.
Okay. So whenever because a lot of times we also have to use infinitivo form of verb.
Okay.
Okay. So infinitivo is vivir.
Okay.
Right. So when we are answering, when somebody is asking us ¿dónde vives? When we are answering, okay, so we will use vivir.
Okay.
We'll use some form of vivir.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
So first of all, you have to identify the verb. That is vivir. We have identified the verb. The second thing that you have to do is identify the correct form of verb.
Okay.
Can you tell me ¿dónde vives is in which form?
It's in two form.
Two. Muy bien. So when you are asking a question, the other person will reply in the first form.
Okay.
Primera persona.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
When we are asking question, it is in the you form.
And
when we answer, it's in the I form.
form.
If it's singular. If it's plural, it will be in
ellos,
in nosotros, nosotras.
Nosotras. Okay. Yeah. Nosotros, nosotras.
In we form.
We form. Sorry. We form.
Yeah. So let's first see this example. ¿Dónde vives? So now it's now we've identified if it's segunda person, singular. Right? So that means one person is asking a question to another person.
Okay.
Singular, singular.
Okay.
Okay. So what form of verb will we use here when we are answering?
I form, that is yo. Yo.
Muy bien. So what will be the answer?
Yo vivo.
Muy bien. Yo vivo. So we'll put vivo. Okay, you can put yo also. Okay. Similarly, if I ask ¿dónde vives? That is nosotros form. So how will you answer?
Then it will be vivimos.
Muy bien. ¿Entiendes?
Sí.
Segundo. ¿Qué bebe usted durante las comidas? Now, puedes identificar el verbo.
Bebe, that is beber. Beber is to drink.
Muy bien. Muy bien. ¿Qué forma del verbo es?
This is third one. Third one, él, ella, and usted.
Muy bien. Muy bien. Pero when we'll answer it, what form of verb will we use? Okay, just tell me what did you say, which form of verb it is? Tercera, singular or plural?
This is singular only.
Muy bien, see. Now, if you have to answer this, in which form of verb will we answer?
See, this question is asked to a person, so he will be answering it, so it will be your form only.
Muy bien. ¿Por qué? Why?
Because
Es tercera persona, no?
Yes, tercera persona. But look, this is tercera persona, but he has to answer, or on behalf of him, somebody has to answer.
No. See, usted.
Usted means you're asking to a
In
senior
the sentence,
person.
if you exactly, that means I'm having one-to-one conversation. Do you remember I had put a arrow when in Usted when I was teaching
Yes,
those
yes,
pronombres
yes.
personales?
Usted the
Yeah,
you form.
this is where we
Yeah.
yeah,
Mm.
exactly. However, when you're asking a question, we use the third form of verb, bebe, but when we answer in the yo form
Okay. Mm.
or nosotros form, depende usted or ustedes.
Okay.
¿Entiendes?
See.
Yeah. So this is the thing that you have to remember. Even if it is usted, the answer will be in yo or nosotros form.
Okay.
Usted or ustedes.
Okay.
Okay. So tell me, how will we answer this normalmente?
Bebo because it is your
Muy bien. Yo,
bebo.
agua. That means they're asking que bebe usted durante las comidas. What do you drink during when you are eating? Comidas is food, and they're asking normalmente yo bebo agua. Normally I drink water.
Okay.
Next one.
If
Abre.
I have a question here.
Yeah.
If it was not in usted form, if it was L form, then the answer would be in which form?
See, you can't ask a question to a third person. Okay, if it's a third person, that means, for example, I am asking you, I am asking you, what does your friend drink when she's having her food? Okay, so You'll answer me in the third form. She
Yeah.
drinks.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. Then we will use the el eja form, or in plural ejos ejas form.
Okay.
If a question is in third person, if usted is not written,
Then the answer would be in third person.
okay, you have to third person only. You have to identify if it's usted or is it el eja.
Okay.
Usually usted is written, or I mean in the question you'll understand if it's a conversation between two people
Okay.
and I am suppose it's a dialogue and I am asking you. I mean the question will always give you the hint if it's usted or if it's el eja. Okay. Seguimos. Abren. Okay, read this. Abren.
Abren los supermercados los domingos.
Supermercados.
Supermercados.
Mercados.
Okay. Supermercados los domingos.
See, mercados is market.
Market.
And this is supermarkets.
Supermarket.
Abren means to open.
Abrir.
So I've told you the verb in this one. Abrir. Okay. Now look at the question. What form of abrir is there in the question?
Abren is the last one. Eos, eas, and ustedes.
So what do you think is it ellos ellas form or is it ustedes?
Ustedes, and the answer would be in nosotros form.
No, wait. No. It's not ustedes form. It is el ella form.
Abren.
I am questioning about, see, abren, nothing has been mentioned, no, that is, it's ustedes. Nothing has been mentioned, and moreover, we're talking about los supermercados. We are talking about los supermercados. That means it's a thing. It's a third form. It's el or ella form. Ellos or ellas.
Okay.
It's not a person. I'm not asking about a person. And remember, everything in Spanish, even every word in Spanish is either masculine or feminine. The nouns. Los sustantivos. Los supermercados es un sustantivo. It's a noun, like market is a place.
Place.
It's a noun. But all the nouns are masculine or feminine. and singular and plural. So los supermercados is plural and it's masculine and los.
Masculine, plural, and masculine. Okay.
Yes. So now this is I am asking about los supermercados. That is why it is abrain. If suppose I'm talking about a particular supermarket, so what form of verb would have been there? El supermercado.
Yes.
So what form of verb would have been there?
It would have been third is abre.
Abrir is the verb.
I 1 minute, huh? Just give me 1 minute.
Yeah.
Abre only.
Abre. Yeah. See, the simple thing is in third person singular and plural, like I use this way to remember. In third person singular and plural, the only difference is we drop this N. We put that N in plural, third form plural, and we drop this.
Yes.
I mean, this is how I remember if like, you want to use this trick.
Okay.
Okay. Now we are still talking about los supermercados in the answer. That means which form will be used?
I'm not getting this. We are talking about a particular thing. So, and this is also not first person or second person. This is the third person.
Third person. So we have just discussed. We are talking about a third person in third form of verb. So we'll also answer in the third form.
Okay. Okay. No. Solo.
Okay, let's do it this way. I am asking you a question. Are supermarkets open on Sundays? And you have to tell me that. Yeah. What did you use? They. No, they are not. You are still. Yeah. Yeah. Right. This.
So this would be. So this would be Ajos. Ajos, Ajas.
Yeah. So what will be the answer?
Normal men they knows. Abrain.
Don't.
Abrain only.
You just abrain. Exactly. Okay. See, we are still talking about supermarkets. Just think it this way. Even in English, we do this. If I ask you, are the supermarkets open on Sundays? So you tell me no, they are not, or yes, they are open. Right?
Okay.
So you use the they.
Okay.
Or if I like elaborate the sentence, no, the supermarkets are closed on so and so. So got it. So when we have a question in third person, el, ellos, or ellos, ellas, we answer in the third person. The only thing that can change is singular or plural. That also depends. You know, suppose if I have to just you have asked me a general question about are all supermarkets closed, and if you know one of them is open. So if I maybe talking about a particular, for example, no, if I say no Big Bazaar is open, so then maybe I'll use the first person, but then also it will be abre.
Abre, yeah.
Right, but I mean it will be in the third person. Only in some cases only singular or plural can be changed.
Okay.
¿Entiendes?
Sí.
¿Qué lees?
Lace is layer. Verb is layer. And this is the second form, to.
Muy bien.
So Leo is the verb.
Leo.
It has to be Leo. So it has to be in a first
Muy bien.
form of verb.
Leo. So is it no Leonardo? No Leonardo. Like I'm reading nothing. Miro las fotos.
Then only seeing the photos.
Muy bien. Fifth one,
Comprise
read it.
comprise siempre en la misma tienda. Comprise is the original verb is comprar, and it is vosotros form.
So we'll answer in.
So vosotros form. So we'll answer in you form only. You all.
Is it
So
singular or
we
plural?
nosotros form. We.
Muy bien. So what
Comprise
will be
is
the?
vosotros is always plural. Second form of
Yeah.
plural.
Yeah. So we'll answer in nosotros, nosotras form.
Nosotros form.
Now, suppose you are two people and I am asking you a question. So I'm asking my question to two people or maybe more in plural, more than one person. Maybe let's suppose maybe you're with your family and I saw you in Tienda's shop. Okay, and I saw you
Store.
in this shop. So I'm asking you all, okay, do you people shop in this same? Do you always buy things from the same shop? So you generally say no. Yes, we usually come here.
So it is nosotros form.
See,
So compramos, compramos.
compramos. Read the next one.
¿A qué hora regresas a casa?
Sí, ¿qué es el verbo?
So verbo is regresar, but
Muy
I have
bien.
first time heard this, so I don't know the original form.
Like,
Maybe it is
एक,
negrar because it is ending with as.
yeah, so just look at it. Just remove the as. As of now, we have just done one form of verb. So it's very easy.
Yes.
You have to just remove the as
And insert
and
ar.
add. Muy bien. Regresar.
Regresar. Yeah.
Regresar is to return.
Okay.
A qué hora means at what time.
At what time?
Do you come back to your home or you return to home?
It is vosotros form.
Look at it. Regresar.
Regresas.
Regresas.
Okay, sorry. It is two form.
Muy bien. So
So
we'll
it will
answer
be in
in
your form. So it will be regreso. No, your regreso.
regreso. Muy bien. Next one.
Practice deporte.
Practice.
Practice deporte. So practica is the word. Practicar.
Practicar.
Yeah. Is the vosotros form.
Muy bien.
Practice is the vosotros form. So
Muy bien.
we'll be answering in nosotros form. So it will
Muy
be
bien.
practicamos.
Muy bien.
Nosotros practicamos.
Muy bien. Nosotros.
Sometimes I
Oh.
get confused with this AIS and AS.
Yeah, but only the nosotros form has a accent though,
Yeah.
except one or two in regular verbs.
Yes.
Except I think we'll come back to that where form.
Yeah.
Jamás mucho por teléfono.
Uh, it's Hamas.
Llamas,
Hamas also
llamas,
called
llamas,
Hamas.
llamas.
It's call na call to call somebody.
Muy bien.
Llamas mucho por teléfono. So llamas is the word. Llamares is the word.
Muy bien. No,
And
llamar is the verb.
llamas is
Llamar is the
Jamar
verb.
is the word.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jamar is the word. And it is in two form. And the answer would be in your form. So
Muy bien.
see, your jamo or me jamo.
Me llamo, it's not
Jamo.
llamo. We'll come to that me llamo. That's yeah.
Okay.
In the
Okay.
last class, I did not teach you Jamar say. That is a different thing.
I've written.
Yeah,
I
I'll
saw
come
her,
back
yeah.
to it.
It's me, yeah. Me jamo. Okay.
Me llamo is when you are telling your name.
Okay. So word is Jamar say.
Yeah, I'll teach you what does that mean. Let's first complete the exercise.
Okay. That is
Here the verb,
okay.
the verb is jamar, and it's jam.
Jamar. Okay. Jamar. Viajáis con frecuencia por el extranjero.
Extranjero.
So extranjero. Viajar is the word. It's vosotros form. Viajar is the verb, or it's in vosotros form. Answer would be in nosotros form. So no, pero nosotros viajamos
Bastante por España. That means it's a question. Do you frequently like travel to foreign places?
Okay.
Answer no, pero bastante por España, but regularly or very frequently to Spain.
Okay.
Last one. ¿Dónde desayunas? Sí, sí.
¿Dónde desayunas normalmente? So, desayunas is desayunar is the word.
Desayunar, sí.
And it's in two form. And
sí.
Answer would be in your form. So, desayuno.
Desayuno.
What is desayuno?
Desayunar is breakfast. Desayunar is breakfast.
Okay.
But in Spanish, breakfast is also to eat. I mean, not exactly.
Okay.
You can take it as to eat breakfast.
Okay.
But eat, we are not putting eat.
Okay.
¿Entiendes?
Sí.
Voy a enviar los ejercicios. Enviar is to send.
Okay.
So this form of verb, me llamo, te llamas, it's when it will be llamar se with se, then we'll put all this.
Okay.
Me llamo, te llamas.